US30 or just Dow Jones Industrial Averages. Once again, US30 is sitting at 37K. It's very similar to, again, here, DJI. But covering this from this perspective, you can see I already kind of have some drawings with US30. Uh, US30 index is, I mean, it seems like I was pretty bullish here. I mean, from that point onward, you can see it's pointing up, and I was just pretty much just cleared the highs out. And with that, I'm just going to get rid of some of the stuff that I don't need. This is still a great demand area. I'm going to give it this. But yeah, I'm pretty much just because we made the all-time highs ever, I'm pretty much still expecting new highs to be cleared. Looking at it from a like 4 hour perspective or so. If the price ever comes into some of these demand areas, you call it support or whatever, like these are the key, okay, quote, key areas. No, but if my rules are met, I'm gonna wait to take it again higher. It's a completely different way to approach it, but again, it's just a strategy that I've pretty much tested and documented for the last 15,000 videos that I made on my YouTube channel. So just something that I have a lot of experience with. It. I also spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships and actually being in the trenches. Everything is on my YouTube channel. Nothing to sell you, but there's a 100% free course. First link in the description.